So once you're enrolled in the QvsQ program, you have two platforms with me. So the first platform, you have us for 5 years. So you're going to get an email. That email, you create your username and password, you log in, you watch a video that tells you how to name your business, restricted industries, things like that. So structuring your business is over 120 different areas that my platform scans and checks for you to make sure is in place before we move you to step 2, okay? But step 1 is making sure that your business foundation makes you look fundable, makes you look like a legit business so these people want to give you money. That's the best way I can sum that up. So that's step 1. Step 2 of that same platform is where you're going to get exposed to hundreds of vendors that we've connected with and talk to their underwriting department. So it's going to be from Shell gas station, Pilot gas station fleet card, American Express, Wayfair furniture, Lowe's, all those terms you may have heard before. Tier 1 vendors, tier 2 vendors, net 30 accounts, net 15 accounts. So me and my team has compiled all these companies together, put them in my platform. So now you see their cheat sheet in step 2 of my platform. So now you're able to click on American Express and it says all the requirements that their underwriting department told us that they need in order to absolutely say yes to giving you $300,000. $500,000, right? It has all the details of what you need in order to walk into Ford dealership and buy a car in your business name and not have to put your social security number on that application. So we give you access to the cheat sheets for every company that will allow you to open up a business account with them and not have to PG it, meaning personal guarantee it, meaning put your social security number on it to back it up, okay? That's step 2. So you start to build business credit. All you're going to do is the same thing Walmart did. All you're going to do is the same thing Target did. All you're going to do is the same thing that Amazon did. You click on it. You click on that company from my website. It's going to tell you recommended, not recommended. Not recommended meaning you're missing something on their requirement list, okay? So you're going to get a yes if my platform says it's recommended. So no more, I'm gonna send you a letter in 7 to 10 business days. My platform is designed to get you yeses, plain and simple, right? So you click on it, you apply, you open up an account with that company, as many as you want to, right? In the steps in my platform, you spend some money with them and they invoice you, right? There is no reason that I'm a small business consultant. I'm headed to go consult a customer and my tire goes out and I have to pay for a tire credit card that day. No reason. I have corporate accounts for that, right? And they're going to invoice me and I typically got 15, 30, 90 days to pay that invoice. You're running your business like a business. This is what Target does, Amazon does, and that is how Walmart got started. You're building relationships with these companies, right? But we're taking the guesswork out because you got the cheat sheet. So now you're applying for business credit. You're spending money with them. You're letting them invoice you. You pay the invoice and they report the payment to the business credit bureau. And that's how you build that business credit within 9 to 12 months. So you're just going to keep opening accounts with the vendors in my platform that we expose you to or give you access to and let them report your payments to the business credit bureau. While you're doing that on the background, also part of step 2 is you get access to my app. So I have an app, right? This is my second partners. They designed it. So when you get the special link to my app, so don't go look for it in the app store. You can't get it unless you're a client, okay? So from my app, I love this thing, okay? They're constantly changing it. Several times a week, as grants come out, loans come out, my team is dropping those grants and loans in my app. So if you're a customer of mine, you literally should be checking your app at least twice a week for new grants and loans. So from my app, they can literally just go in there and scroll through it's probably not gonna show up, but it's all these grants. And you click I'm interested, it takes you to the grant application, you read the requirements. If you qualify, you click on it and you apply for the grant straight from my app, okay? This app is a 3-month service, okay? So everything that we do is interactive. My goal for my clients is so that you don't need me for the rest of your business career, okay? I'm showing you how to fish. I'm not sending you no finished product. And a lot of people got a problem with that, right? You're sitting there for weeks saying, man, I paid $2,000 to this lady. I ain't heard from her yet. That's not happening with me. We're showing every single step. My team is on the phone with you. Hey, we see you logged in. Hey, we haven't seen you log in 2 days. My team is on the phone with you. Can we assist you? I see you're on step 2.2. Do you need some help? We're doing it with you. Every single thing we do with you, so that sooner than later, you don't need us at all. And remember this, every business owner has more than one business or plan to have more than one business. You're paying me or investing for our platforms for one time, but now you can use it to open another business and another business. And we talk about generational curse. The only way you can change that is if you unlearn what you've already learned. You came to me because what you've already learned and been doing hasn't been working, right? So now I'm giving you access to the exact model that successful businesses such as Target and Walmart has used, right? And now you're investing once, and now you can come and sit your 15-year-old down into my platform and help them start a business. The platform is set up for success. So this is not just an investment for your business, but now it's an investment to help your children and change that generational curse that we always talk about. My 25-year-old went to Belize with me last month and opened her first offshore account. She opened her first bank account. Everything she's doing since she left Belize last month is catered towards her living in Belize. She started college. She starts college in August. She was going to go on campus. Now she's doing it remotely in Belize. That's what she's working on since we left Belize. This is how you change generational curses. You expose your kids to things that you never knew about. And my platform is that thing y'all never knew about. Y'all was wondering how everybody else got all this stuff, right? And now this is it, and you're seeing it and you're getting access to it. But yeah, so the app is 3-month membership included in your original payment. If you decide to continue with my app after that, you can pay a monthly fee. I think it's like $20 a month, or you won't need us. You still can log on. You still see the grants as they come out. You just don't have access to my team once that membership expires. So 2 platforms, one for 5 years, which is to build business credit. The second one is for your grants and loans. We help you build your business. We do a business plan for you from scratch. We help you register with sam.gov, which allows you to bid on government contracts, registering you as a woman-owned business, minority-owned business, and a veteran-owned business. It's a complete package to help you set